Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems, delivering intelligent drone automation solutions that transform warehouse inventory audits, industrial inspections, asset monitoring, and operational visibility through autonomous drones, AI vision, and real-time analytics. Manual inventory audits and industrial inspections are often slow, labor-intensive, and expensive. Traditional methods consume valuable resources, delay operations, and expose personnel to unnecessary safety risks. Brilliant provides a complete drone automation solution featuring autonomous drone operations, AI vision, RFID and barcode scanning, inventory verification, infrastructure inspections, digital reporting, enterprise integration, and advanced operational analytics. Drone missions begin with automated flight planning. Predefined routes enable drones to safely navigate warehouse aisles, storage locations, production facilities, and industrial infrastructure, collecting accurate operational data with minimal human intervention. For inventory management, drones automatically scan barcodes and RFID tags, verify pallet locations, detect inventory discrepancies, and update inventory records in real time, significantly improving inventory accuracy and visibility. Beyond warehouse operations, drones perform intelligent inspections of manufacturing plants, warehouses, conveyors, storage tanks, solar installations, and other critical assets, delivering faster inspections, improved safety, reduced downtime, and enhanced asset visibility. All captured data is processed through Brilliant's analytics platform to generate inspection reports, inventory insights, asset condition assessments, and digital twin visualizations for faster, data-driven decision-making. With Brilliant drone automation solutions, organizations achieve faster inventory audits, reduced operational costs, improved inventory accuracy, enhanced workplace safety, real-time operational visibility, and a faster return on investment. Transform warehouse audits and industrial inspections with Brilliant drone automation solutions and unlock the future of intelligent operations. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.